Laistung is a British multinational at the forefront of industrial automation. We deliver intelligent, high-performance solutions from concept and design to commissioning. Our advanced automation and system integration enable real-time visibility, data-driven decisions, and operational agility. At Laistung, we don't just build automated systems, we deliver value, reliability, and a future-ready vision for industry. Laistung is shaping the future of industrial automation with digital solutions, Industry 4.0, and AI. PLC SCADA, HMI VFD Servo, Robotics and IIoT integrate seamlessly to make operations smarter, safer, and more efficient. Our engineers deliver practical solutions that boost productivity, ensure compliance, and scale with your growth. Laistung brings robotics to industrial automation with welding, pick and place, palletizing, and machine tending cells. Integrated vision systems and motion control ensure high-precision tasks. Robot programming, I/O integration, and HMI workflows are done on YASKAWA, FANUC, ABB, KUKA, and FUJI platforms. Our expert solutions upskill your workforce and reduce operational downtime. Cognidel, a Laistung initiative, transforms engineers and students into job-ready automation professionals. We provide hands-on training in PLC SCADA, HMI VFD, Servo robotics and IIoT through labs and real-world projects. With online courses, workshops, and diploma certifications, graduates earn industry-recognized credentials, project portfolios, and placement support. Our tailored programs enhance workforce capabilities and prepare teams for real-world industry challenges. LPharma, part of the Laistung Group, delivers smarter pharma process automation. We handle machine selection, custom fabrication, integration, FAT, SAT, and commissioning. Our systems cover tablet and capsule lines, liquid filling, vial handling, and packaging equipment. With PLC DCS, SCADA, MES and ERP integration, we ensure complete production traceability.